So what's up, team? This is your boy Jay. I have the Campark, I think it's the ACT74, something like that, but it's a Campark camera, and it's supposed to shoot in 4K. It says Extreme UHD, which is ultra high definition 4K. And just some brief information just for the make of it. You have a micro USB port, and then you have an HDMI out port right here. I have a 32 gig micro SD card inside of it, and of course this is your lens. You have a flash and a sensor in the front, and then your power button in the different modes that you can shoot in, whether you're taking a picture or shooting video. Then you have your volume control buttons, which also act as up and down arrows when you're in the menu, and I won't go through those things because I know most of you want to see what this bad boy can do as far as the footage. So the next thing you'll see, I am shooting this video on my phone, but the next video that you will see is video in 4K from the Campark high def action camera.
What's up, family? So this is probably about my 30th take, and it's hot outside, and I was unable to shoot in 4K or 2.7K, and I'm thinking that's because of my SD card. So I may need to get something that's more high quality, but nevertheless, this is 1080p, 60 frames per second. And so that's that. Right now I'm not even getting any audio, so don't know if you'll be able to hear this, but what I will do is follow up on my YouTube video to let you know what I was doing. So even right here, the video is pretty decent. So in a good lighting situation, you could use this to vlog. If you're looking for something that is high quality, I would go with the GoPro.
So I'm not sure if you were able to even hear me while I was recording the footage. That would be a con, that I couldn't even get any sound to output from recording. So this thing doesn't even come with an external mic, but what you do have is a 170 degree wide angle lens that captures pretty much a nice little size of what's in front of you. As you can see, I was able to even kind of do a little vlogging, selfie filming, if you will. My only thing is when I tried to record in 4K and 2.7K, there was freezing. Couldn't really finish the video, to be honest with you. Couldn't process it. So the thing with that is probably the SD card that I'm using. So I'm going to put the brand of micro SD card that I have so that you can steer away, because apparently you need maybe a Samsung, but this is a SanDisk 32 gig. So I would have thought that it would have processed my video pretty good, but apparently it did not. And so I'll let you see that footage. I'll also let you see the footage from the pictures I took. And one thing that I'll let you know is, as you're recording, the quality may not look as good. So I haven't even posted the quality that I just recorded on here yet, or the video I just recorded on here yet. So to me, and looking at the app while I was using the app as a kind of monitor, the footage looked horrible. But you guys, let me know what you think. At 1080, 60 frames per second, is the video quality decent? And if it is, then this is a great alternative if you are in the market for a action camera other than the GoPro. And I would just say to make sure that you get a high performing or high processing micro SD card, like a Samsung of some sort. And so that's my only con, is that I couldn't really capture the 4K footage that I wanted to. But other than that, I think it does a fairly decent job. Like I said again, if you're seeing yourself record the footage, if you're looking from this device itself, the screen itself is fairly small. So let me take you back to the home screen. And so if you're trying to look, you know, out and about, that's kind of small and the quality isn't the best. So what you want to do is go ahead and just film what it is that you want and hope that you got what it is that you were trying to get. So let me know what you think.